Very good. We just need to stretch Ra and Dal. Why? Because Ra has Ya madda and Dal has Waw madda. So both we have to stretch for 2 seconds. So it will be Wa in yuridu. And also see I am doing Ghunna Wa in. Why? Because we have a Noon Saakin and after that we have Ya. And like I said before, Ya is one of the Yarmaloon letters. Ya, Ra, Meem, Lam, Waw, Noon. So that's why we have to merge the Noon into Ya. Okay, and also the tip like which I gave you that whenever we have a sukoon letter and after the next letter will comes after noon with comes with shad on it, so then we skip noon. Okay, so we do gunna here because of idgham and we skip it because this is sukoon and next we have shad. So read wa'i, do gunna, put your hide your voice in your nose. Wa'i yuridu.
Yorito.
Very good. Okay, now let's move to lesson number 28 and it is about Iqlab. This is the last rule of Noon Sakin and Tanween and this is the easiest rule of the Noon Sakin and Tanween. Why? Because in this uh, rule, the definition is very easy. The definition is that after the Noon Sakin and Tanween, if you see the ba, okay, in the previous all the rules they have many letters. Like in Idgham there are Yarmalun like 6 letters. In Ikhfa there are throttle letters. Again 6 letters you have to remember. And in Ikhfa there are 15 letters which you have to remember, right? But here in the Iqlab, we just need the ba after Noon Sakin and Tanween. So if you have ba after Noon Sakin and Tanween, so then what we do? We just convert. The Iqlab also means the converting. So we just convert the ba into Meem. Sorry, the Noon Sakin and Tanween into Meem. Do you understand?
You say it again?
Whenever we have ba comes after noon sakin or tanween, so we just convert the noon sakin or tanween into meme. You can also see the small and tiny meme is written on the top of ba. This is the indication that we have to apply the iqlab here, and this is very easiest tip for you as well. Like whenever you see the tiny meme, so now you knew that you have to convert. So you doesn't need you don't need to remember the rule. Okay, just need that whenever we have meme, so we just need to convert. So it will be meme. Okay, we convert this noon into meme. Now suppose there we have a meme with sukoon. So that's why we will read here meme and then the next will be the same. Ba with fatha and connect with ain. Ba and then dal with kasra di. Mim ba di. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So the next, all the chapter we will read same, and now actually we have to go for praying Salah Fajr. So that's why I'm just closing the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Inshallah, Ta'ala, we will continue again from here in our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
You're laughing.